everyone, I'm Kamayo. Now our topic is about entering data with autofill and edit custom lists. Okay, we'll start. I will type Monday and Tuesday. So I can type Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it's took time. However, we have autofill that easy for us. So what will we do? Just highlight these two, then put our cursor at the edge of this column and hold our left mouse button and drag down. Okay, now our list of days autofill accordingly. Okay, I will delete this one. I can type also here Tuesday. Now I can select this one, then hold our left mouse button and drag to the right. Again, we have now the list of the day according to the order. Okay, I will delete. I can type also, instead of the full day, I can type also man, then 2. I will select this 2. I will hold my left mouse button and drag down. Again, I will just use my shortcut key, Ctrl Z, just for undo. I will type here 2, select this 2, and once you see the plus sign, you can drag to the right. So now we have autofill for the day of the week. Now we will proceed with the month. So I will type Jan and Feb. Just select these 2 and drag down while our left mouse button hold. Just Ctrl Z. I can type here also Feb. Then I can drag to the right. Okay. I will put also the full month, January and February, and I can select these 2, then drag down automatically with autofill. Okay, Jan, Feb. Okay, automatically this one will autofill. Maybe you wonder why that one is automatically, because if we'll type here, example, Jan, Microsoft Excel automatically detect this one, this Feb March. So meaning if I will put the cursor here, if I click this one plus fill, then automatically this one also will fill. Okay, I will type also again our day. So Monday, Tuesday. I will drag. I will type also Monday, choose. Look, automatically the Microsoft Excel detect the sequence. However, I will use again the plus fill. I will just click my escape button just to make it manually through our plus fill button. So I will put here our cursor then and use plus fill. Next is we'll use number. So I will type 1 here. If I put this my cursor and hold my left mouse button, if I will drag down, there's no, this one is just only copied, not an incremental. So we will create incremented list number like 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, I will type 1. So in order to remain the same cell, if I hit enter, so my cursor will move down. However, if I type 1, then if I hold my control then enter, my cursor remain in current cell. Now we need to create an incremented list. So since we have already entered one number, so what we will do, just hold our control in keyboard. Look, as you can see, there is a small plus sign. So just hold our control in keyboard and hold also our left mouse button and drag down. Look, there is an incremental numbers. So now we can free our mouse button, so we have an incremental numbers. Now if I will type 10 and 20, now we can increment this one by 10. Just select these two row and put our cursor at the bottom of this row and hold our left mouse button and drag down. Now we have our numbers incremental by 10. You can put also 5 and 10. So we'll select these two and we will drag it down. So this one is incremented by 5. So we will go with a custom list. As you can see, why this one, if we will type Monday, Tuesday, if we will drag down, automatically we have an autofill data. Why? Because this data, January, we have already created custom list which is included in the Microsoft Excel. So however, we can make our own custom list. So first step, we need to go in file, then by the way I'm using Microsoft Office 13, then go to option, then select this advanced, then we'll drag down using our scroll bar. This is the scroll bar. Drag down, and here, as you can see, create list for use in sorts of all field sequence. So we can write or customize our list. So just click this edit custom list here. So just put our cursor. I will type our sum of municipalities in our province. So I will type Tandag, which is now at Tandag City, Tago, Bayabas, Caguait, Marihata. This is our municipality. San Agustin, Lianga, Marogo, and Tagina. Or do we have another or more municipalities, but I just make this one just to show you how to make or customize our list. Just click add. Look here, if you see in the custom list which already included like Sunday, Monday, so this is the sequence: January, February. That's why if we will type January, February, it will drag down automatically. This will autofill accordingly. So I will just put add. Now we have here our custom list standard tago, and just hit OK. So another one here. So since we have already our list of municipalities, I just type Tandag. Look, this is how amazing. I will select this Tandag, then I will put cursor here, then hold our left mouse button and drag down. Look what will happen. Ta-da! Now we have already custom list. So if I will type Tago here, I will put my cursor and put my cursor here, then drag down. Automatically this one is Tago Bayabas, this one. This is how to make our work more fast. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos to come. Thank you and God bless.